Well, I've heard tales of millionaires, billionaires and such, who gathered up their riches, still did not have enough. If money could buy peace of mind, guess they'd have it all. But all the riches in the world won't hold you if you fall. We've got a roof above our heads, and the kids have all been fed, and the woman I love most lies close beside me in our bed. Lord, give me the eyes to see exactly what it's worth, and I will be the richest man on earth. Oh Lord, when I see the things you gave someone else, I pray that you'll forgive me for thinking of myself. I'm really not as thankful as I know I ought to be. I should be more than satisfied with all you've given me. We've got a roof above our heads, and the kids have all been fed, and the woman I love most lies close beside me in our bed. Lord, give me the eyes to see exactly what it's worth, and I will be the richest man on earth. One thing is for certain, it don't matter when you die, if you made $1 million or if you just got by. We've got a roof above our heads, and the kids have all been fed, and the woman I love most lies close beside me in our bed. Lord, give me the eyes to see exactly what it's worth, and I will be the richest man on earth.